Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to install WordPress and start to develop your website. So we find it like it's necessary for us to do this tutorial because most people, they use some things which by the end of the day they get into trouble whereby they cannot proceed. They started something and they can't, but WordPress has a huge community. Whatever you want to ask, you can get. And that's the reason why WordPress is powerful, because any platform which has a lot of people, it simply means any bug, any question you have, it's easier to be answered quickly than something which has less volume of people. So I guess you are ready and you have internet. Yeah, if you have internet access, then you go to google.com. then we're gonna download our WordPress it's gonna be google.com. then you enter. After entering, type in WordPress download. WordPress download, this is the first one. Once you click on that, then you're gonna say this one, the first one, say it has to be wordpress.org. after that, click download. Then if you say this file, then say okay. Once you say okay, it's gonna download. After downloading, it's here. Then you can start to think where you want to put it. Do you want to put it offline or online? So whichever way, it's okay. So I wanna put it online if things go well. So I'm gonna show you the folder where WordPress is. So, and it's what they call, it's a zip folder, so which is okay. So we're going to do we can anyway extract that first, then we see which files are in here. After extraction, you can go to WordPress, then you can see license, index, and all that. Once you're in there, then it's fine for you to see includes and all that. These are files for WordPress, and once you've done with that, then it's easier to know what's going on. So you can use that to dump it into your stuff. But now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use that zip folder. I wanna go to the server, online server, then I get it there. I get something there. Okay, I'm gonna get something there, then we can see if we can log in and we put in some stuff. Okay, there's a website I want to build. On that website, if we can see now, there is nothing. You can see how it looks like. There's nothing there. So but now we're gonna start developing it. So you can go to that website and save on your cPanel and say file manager. After doing file manager, you can see upload. Once you upload, you go to this, then you select your zip, because zip is easier there than to make it not zip. Zip is already compressed, it's easier to put it online, to copy it there. So we're gonna go and see. Once the zip is done, it's gonna have to be here on our FTP. Still uploading. Yes, it uploaded everything. After uploading, you can go inside your FTP and click here. It should be there in www. I wonder where it went. Where did we upload it? So we can go back home to build codes. Let me see home. Where did it go? It should show where it went. And I think we uploaded it in a wrong place. But if you try here, wow, can't see anything here. Or we can try something like this. We have a lot of space to check. Okay, if we go home, why it's not there, I can't tell. But if you go to public HTML and let me see, it's not here. Just we put it in the wrong folder. Okay, we in public HTML, what we can do, we can say upload, then we can upload. They say you can drag and drop files. You can go in here and get everything here. We copy. If it doesn't give us a chance, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do something simple. We cancel this, because at times it can be tricky, whereby if you have tools like FileZilla, then it's gonna be good for you. But if you don't have it, because now I'm not using FileZilla, if I was using FileZilla, then it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna drop, it might take time anyway, upload all these files. I'm gonna drag and drop them here. So when I try to drag them here, it doesn't work. So let me drag and drop one. Open. It's like it's giving me some issues. Okay, if this won't work, it's okay. But I did put the best way was to put our zip folder here, and we proceed from that, which was gonna look so fine. But let me try find a way. How can we upload those files again? So here, let's try to upload and see. Let me see. Upload the same thing, zip. It tells us it's 100% done. Let's try to build it. Yes, now we can see we have that folder there, which is good. That's what we wanted. So we're gonna go and refresh here, which is here. Then we can extract here. Extract. We're gonna extract it here, no stress. After the extraction is done, we're going to do something incredible. Wait, we see if the extraction is done, then everything's gonna be fine. I wonder if I think it's done. Let me see if I can go to that website and see if I can see all files there. Okay, it's done, yes. And then we can close here. Once we close, the files are in here, so we can double click here and we copy everything. We're gonna say copy. Wow. So if I control, I press, let me go back, I come back here. When I take out all those files out from that folder, say wow, select. Okay, we selected all. Then we're gonna try to copy all. I wonder if we have something like that here. We say copy. Yes, they say copy to what? because all these are the file settings and stuff. Okay, we're gonna copy to this. You can see public HTML, public underscore HTML, then we copy files. Okay, when we copy files there, it's gonna be now a different story, whereby we're gonna see, if we visit that website, we're gonna see a different story. Look at this. It's then, after when the files are put in there, they're gonna give you this: welcome to your WordPress. Before you start, need some information to on the database. You will need to know the following before proceeding: database name, database username, database password, and host. You get me? So all of those are things now you need only to create, and 5 prefix table. You want to run more than one WordPress. Okay, you copy that information. Now our website shows the WordPress stuff, and after copying that information, all of this information, you can copy this, and you put it on any place, so that you know what you need before you do the installation. So now we copy all those files. Now they are here, and we want to do the installation, but now we're gonna need you to have username, password, and all that. I'm copying that. I'm opening a file like Microsoft Word document, so that I paste all that information I need, because if I leave that screen, I might not remember what they wanted. Okay, so that is super good. We're gonna create a new file here, and we paste it here. Yeah, so now we have that file. We close this file here. We can now remember what they need from us. You need to create your database. Where do we create your database? Go to your what they call your cPanel, and when you're in cPanel, you're gonna see a couple of things here. Your cPanel might look like this. If it looks like this, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on database MySQL, database MySQL wizard. If you click on wizard, let's see what we're gonna get. Here they say step 1, create a database. What name do you gonna give to your database? Get that name. I'm gonna create a database name here. It's gonna be okay. Create it. Go to next. Next is gonna ask you to put in a what? After creating a database name, it's gonna ask you to put a password. You get me? So once you create a password, also you see, put in a strong password. That's what they say. So database name created. After, then you go to the next screen, whereby when you create, also you have to create a database username, and once you've done with that, then you create your DB. So after creating the DB, so it's gonna ask you, put you to this. So you should give all privileges, because if you don't do that, WordPress is gonna do what? It's gonna have a problem with that. So you save, make changes. You make changes. It simply means you have saved and given all the privileges to that database. So now after that, you're gonna go next. What's your database name? Okay, you put in that. What's your username? You put in the username, whatever you want. What's your password? You type in the password. And what's your host? Your host in most cases is local host. No, the password is not that. Okay, okay, okay. You must create a strong password. Yes, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, that's the strong password we created. We created it already. This, you leave it like this. And also table prefix, you leave the table prefix the way that it is. Let me check something here. Then you click submit. Once you click on submit, it say all alright, finish. You made right through to the part of installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. Okay, run the installation. So now we're running the installation. After doing all those steps, you can now put the title name of your thing, and you say please provide the following information. Don't worry, you can always change. They say until beauty, it's gonna be beauty and tips. Beauty and tips. Okay, once you do that, you can use your username, can be your email address if you want to. I'm gonna put here email address. You can change the password if you want to change the password. Then you say install. Once you do that, then it's fine. Let me do this. Click install after putting in all what you've seen there. Username, it's gonna say username, choose whatever you want. Password, you choose any password. Then your email. Then you install. Once you click install, WordPress is gonna proceed and install your website. You get me? So once that is done, it's gonna say success. Then it's gonna say login. So you put in your username and your password. Username also, you put it in. Then you can remember that. Then you say enter. Once you say enter, it's gonna log you into your dashboard, your back end for WordPress. So it complains here about the PHP, the PHP. You have to learn how to do that PHP update your PHP to the latest. So now that's the way you install your WordPress. So now we can go to this website and check how it looks like. You can see now how it looks like. This is the way it looks like. So now you can use this template or try another template you feel is good. To look for a template, you just click on appearance, then themes. When you on themes, then you can look for any template you need to, or you want to, you say add new. When you click on add new, then you can look for any, maybe I'm looking for beauty tips or saloon or whatever, something which is similar to that. You can look for any template, you customize it. So you can get this template. It's really nice, looks nice for the website you want to use. After that, when it's done, installation is done, then guys, our tutorial is gonna be 100% done. So that's the way you install it on your live server, because one of the companies charged me $10, I think $1 to $2 every month for installation of WordPress. This thing you can do it without even nobody charging you. So I'm done with that, and now I'll proceed with the building the website itself. Let's go to beauty tips again. We go there, beauty and tips. Once we're there, we can see that the template should change, because we did change the template. Activate, no, we did not activate. After activation, it's gonna show a different template. So you can go here on beauty and tips. Once you're there, you can see that the website changed, and we're gonna see different things. Yeah, no guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This is a great video for WordPress. Even offline you can do the same procedure, and online. So that's so awesome guys. It's been a good tutorial for us, all of us. Yeah, see you in the next video guys. If you want to request anything new in WordPress, then talk to us. We're going to do that tutorial for you. Don't forget to subscribe, also to click on that button which looks like a bell, so that whenever I make tutorials you get a notification.